Hi there. Thanks for returning to my channel. Make yourself cozy, grab a treat, and enjoy the video. The all-new 2025 Nissan Pathfinder just redefined family SUVs. The 2025 Nissan Pathfinder has arrived, poised to confront its competitors with its robust design, expansive interior, and features tailored for family needs. Whether you are organizing a road trip or managing your daily commutes, this SUV provides the versatility requisite for your needs. But before we dive deeper, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the latest and greatest updates from the world of automotive. The Pathfinder is equipped with a formidable V6 engine that produces a commendable 284 horsepower, which is complemented by a 9-speed automatic transmission. This configuration facilitates seamless acceleration, while the optional all-wheel drive system offers outstanding handling capabilities for challenging terrains. The 2025 model incorporates off-road enhancements, such as hill descent control, thereby demonstrating its proficiency in diverse conditions. The interior of the Pathfinder features a thoughtfully designed cabin that accommodates up to 8 occupants. Equipped with tri-zone climate control and an array of luxurious upholstery selections, the vehicle ensures a high level of comfort for all occupants. The accessibility of the second-row captain's chairs has been enhanced, and the ample cargo capacity guarantees that you can transport all of your equipment effortlessly. The 2025 Pathfinder distinguishes itself through its advanced technological features. The SUV is outfitted with a modernized infotainment system that includes an expansive touchscreen display, as well as wireless compatibility with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You will also value the comprehensive array of driver assistance features, which encompasses adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. With regard to fuel efficiency, the Pathfinder continues to maintain a competitive position within its segment, rendering it a pragmatic option for families seeking an SUV that harmonizes power with economic viability. Its towing capacity, which is rated at a maximum of 6,000 pounds, further enhances its versatility. The 2025 Nissan Pathfinder integrates performance, comfort, and advanced technology into a configuration that is difficult to surpass. Whether you are traversing urban thoroughfares or venturing along unpaved pathways, this SUV is meticulously engineered to accommodate your requirements with ease. What are your thoughts on this video? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Stay tuned for more exciting updates and insights about cars and the automotive world.